XRP. Wow. Wow. What has happened to XRP? Let me tell you guys something. Just because, let me tell you something. If you hold XRP like I do, don't panic over this. This is nothing. Don't panic. Oh, XRP's going to zero. No, relax. It's not gonna go to zero. And if it does, well, it goes to zero, but it's gonna go up again. You don't lose your value. You don't lose your coins, right? It's gonna go back up again. Relax. I'm waiting for this thing to pop off and become millionaires. You know, some of us are gonna become millionaires. Some of us are just gonna have hundreds of thousands in the bank. Some of us are gonna become multi-millionaires. Whatever it is, we're ready for this. But I want to tell you guys about something. This is real. I'm unemployed, right? I don't work. I don't do anything. The way I only get money is for taking care of my brother, right? And this is me being transparent. All the money that I make, I invest into XRP. And this is what it is. This a day in a, not a day in a life, because it's not a vlog, but this is what I do. You know, there's one way I'm gonna make it out. This is the only way I'm gonna make it out. Not through crypto or stuff like that, but through this, right? Content. This is my life right here. I'm not scared to show it. It is what it is. God put me in this position because He knows that I'm gonna come out on top, and this is what it is. I'm broke pretty much, but we're gonna come out on top. Promise you that. But get XRP right now.